Tips for excelling at every stage of your employment journey unto employer. Mastering each stage of the employment journey is crucial for taking control of career growth opportunities and climbing higher on the employment ladder. Let's break down how to excel at each stage. 1. From unemployed to employed. Skill development. Focus on acquiring and improving skills relevant to your desired job. This could involve formal education, certifications, online courses, or gaining practical experience through internships or volunteer work. Networking. Build professional connections through networking events, social media platforms like LinkedIn, and reaching out to industry professionals for advice and opportunities. Resume CV and interview preparation. Craft a compelling resume highlighting your skills and experiences. Practice interview techniques to confidently articulate your strengths and suitability for the role. 2. From employee to self-employed. Identify your niche, determine your strengths, passions, and areas of expertise to identify a niche market or service where you can offer unique value. Business planning. Develop a solid business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, pricing, and financial projections. Build your brand. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website, social media, and content marketing to showcase your expertise and attract clients' customers. Financial management. Learn basic financial management skills, including budgeting, pricing your services products, invoicing, and managing cash flow. 3. From self-employed to employer. Scaling your business. Evaluate opportunities for growth and expansion. This could involve hiring employees, outsourcing tasks, expanding your product service line, or entering new markets. Leadership development. Enhance your leadership skills to effectively manage teams, delegate tasks, and foster a positive and productive work culture. Legal and compliance. Familiarize yourself with legal requirements for employers, including tax obligations, employment laws, insurance, and any industry-specific regulations. Strategic partnerships. Explore collaborations and partnerships with other businesses or organizations to leverage resources, access new markets, and enhance your competitive advantage. By mastering these stages, individuals can not only land opportunities but also position themselves for long-term success and advancement in their careers, whether as employees, self-employed professionals, or entrepreneurs leading their own businesses.